flickering headlights of motorbikes. But why does my head hang low like my spirit's propped against my inside?